Question 16. An object of mass 100 kg is accelerated uniformly from velocity 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 6 seconds. So mass is 100 kg and initial velocity is 5 meter per second and final velocity is 8 meter per second, and time taken for this change in velocity is 6 seconds. Calculate initial and final momentum. That means P1 that is equal to m into u, P2 m into v. ये दोनों हमको फाइंड करना है. ओके, ये होगा इनिशियल मोमेंटम, ये होगा फाइनल मोमेंटम. ओके, सो P1 mass is 100 kg, it is already in kg, so we don't have to change into. Initial velocity is 5, so it is initial momentum 500 kilogram meter per second. P2 equals to m is 100,
800 kilogram meter
which will
per
be
second.
800 kilogram meter per second. Okay. Find the magnitude of force exerted on the object. Force in terms of momentum can be written as change in momentum upon time. Second law of motion यही बोलता है चेंज इन मोमेंटम अपॉन टाइम. चेंज इन मोमेंटम है 800 माइनस 500 और टाइम कितना है 6 सेकेंड्स.
मैम 6 सेकेंड.
So 300.
मैम 300 upon 6.
That is 50 Newton.
50, sorry.
Okay,
yes,
this will be the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 18. How much momentum will a dumbbell of mass 10 kg transfer to the floor if it falls from a height of 80 centimeter? Take its downward acceleration to be 10 meter per second square. Okay, एक dumbbell है. When it falls from the height of 80 centimeter, how much momentum will it transfer? ये है question. Mass of dumbbell is 10 kg. Okay, height means S is 80 centimeter. That is equal to 0.8 meter. Acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Okay. Now हमने देखे थे कुछ rules. Whenever any body falls from certain height, its initial velocity is taken 0. ये हमने देखा था न्यूमेरिकल्स के लिए. जब कोई बॉडी किसी हाइट से फॉल होती है तो उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 लेते हैं. ठीक है. फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज मैक्सिमम. फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या होती है? द वेलोसिटी एट विच जस्ट टचेस द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड से टच होने के पहले जो वेलोसिटी होती है वो फाइनल वेलोसिटी होती है. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? विल राइट दिस वे, v इक्वल्स टू u प्लस 80, s equals to ut plus half at square, and decide which equation we'll use. V square minus u square equals to 2as. We know V, A and S. V, A, S, A, V, A and S. Sorry, U. Sorry. We know U, A and S. ये तो पता करना है. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, फिर से तो
मैम थर्ड वन.
राइट. यू ए हमको पता है, यू ए और एस पता है. यू ए और एस पता है, तो वी हम थर्ड वाली इक्वेशन से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो विल बी यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन. वी स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 2as. V square minus 0 equals to 2 into 10 into 0.8. So V square equals to 16. V equals to under root 16. That is equal to plus minus, or we can write 4 meter per second. Okay. So momentum transferred. Momentum find करना है. Momentum is mass into velocity. Mass है 10 और वेलोसिटी है 4, तो ये हो जाएगा 40 किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड. क्वेश्चन 13. A hockey ball of mass 200 grams traveling at 10 meter per second is stuck by a hockey stick so as to return it along its original path with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So mass of hockey ball is 200 grams. It is moving with initial velocity of 10 meter per second, and when it is hit by a hockey stick, it changes the direction, and now its velocity becomes 5 meter per second. So v will be minus 5 meter per second. We have to find change in momentum. Change in momentum होता है initial momentum minus final momentum. Initial momentum is mass into initial velocity. Final momentum is find change in momentum. Okay, we'll write final momentum minus initial momentum. Okay, final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum is mass into final velocity. Initial momentum is mass into initial velocity. M we can take common, v minus u. M is 200 grams, so we'll convert it into kilograms by dividing by 1000. V is minus 5 and u is minus 5 minus 10. So it will be 1 upon 5 into minus 15. So that is equal to minus 3 kilogram meter per second. Question number 14. A bullet of mass 10 gram traveling horizontally with a velocity of 150 meter per second strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 seconds. एक बुलेट है, उसकी mass is 10 gram and it strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest. So initial velocity of the bullet will be the velocity which is given 150 meter per second. 10 ग्राम को हम kilograms में यहीं पे convert कर लेंगे. That is equal to 0.01 kg. Initial velocity is this. As it strikes the wooden block and comes to rest, so final velocity is 0. Time taken is 0.03 seconds. Calculate the distance of penetration. S we have to find, and the magnitude of force exerted. F also we have to find. Okay. Now अगर हमको फोर्स फाइंड करना है तो मास इंटू एक्सीलरेशन होता है. मास दे रखा है, एक्सीलरेशन हमको पता नहीं है. एंड फॉर फाइंडिंग एस ऑल्सो वी नो v, u and t, but if so it won't be possible. So first of all we'll find acceleration from the given data. A equals to v minus u upon t. V is 0, u is 150, time is 0.03 seconds. That is equal to minus 150 by 0.03. So this will be equal to 100, 3, this will be 50. That is equal to minus of 5000 meter per second square. This is acceleration. Force equals to mass into acceleration. Mass is 0.01 into minus 5000. So that is equal to minus of 50 newtons. Then S we have to find. So we'll choose from these three equations. हम किससे S find कर सकते हैं? We'll use any of them. S equals to ut plus half at square, or v square minus u square equals to 2as. Okay. So now we can, as we know now acceleration also, we can use any of this. So we are using this
third one.
Yes, v square minus u square equals to 2as. V is 0, u is minus, u is 150 square, and 2a is minus 5000, and s we don't know. तो s क्या हो जाएगा? Minus of 150 into 150 upon 2 into minus of 5000. ये कैसे आया? क्योंकि ये है, this is on this side and this into s is this, so this everything will come in here denominator. S will be equal to minus 150 square upon this, all will come in denominator. Minus and minus will cancel, and when we'll solve this, 150, this 2 zeros will also cancel. 3 times this will be 10 times, so Now this will again be 3 times, this will be 2 times. It is 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 means 2.25 meters. This will be the answer.